Hello everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a little haul from Scrapbook Pal, and as most of y'all know, I just do some videos for them just on their channel. I don't do them on my channel, just on their channel, so I'll have that linked down below. I think they do free shipping with $50, and yeah, it's a great little company. There's usually discounts right on top of things, and every once in a while they'll have they'll throw in a free thing. So I've shopped with them for years and I've loved them. So let's take a look at what I got. I finally bit the bullet and I got the Wendy Vecchi Make Art Station. I thought I got the smaller one. So this is the what size is this? There are two sizes, obviously. There's a big one. This one's the 7x7. I don't remember what size the other one is, but I just wanted something small for holding down my stencils. I've seen people use it, using their stencils and like Nuvo paste or, you know, glimmer paste, whatever. And I just wanted to give this a try. I thought, let's see. So I'm going to pull it out of the box for you real quick. And obviously I don't have any sort of review on this right now because I've never used it, but the magnets seem to work pretty decently. I like that these aren't they're heavy duty, but they're not, okay, they're not going to break when you get them together, so that's nice. That was always my big thing with the Misty ones, is that they did break when they slam together, because it's inevitable they're going to slam together. Alright, so I don't really, like I said, I don't have a review on this, but I'll be playing with it and I'll let you know. So yeah, as of now, pretty excited to try it. Alright, so we'll put that back in the box, or at least over here. Let's pull out some more stuff. Alright, I went ahead and got, because they do carry honeybee stamps, they carry lots of lines of stamps. They carry Lawn Fawn, Avery L, Honeybee, they've got some Gina K, trying to remember who else, because there's a lot of different ones. I think they also carry Altenew. Don't quote me on that, but I think so. All right, so I got this one. This is the Paradise Blooms. It's a big stamp set. This one is a big one, and I did get the matching dies. I'm going to be doing something on their channel using this one, and I had this idea in my head, so all the things I got are for the idea in my head. But yeah, I do like honeybee stamps, and I think it's great that they carry them. Right. I also got some Nuvo Shimmer Powder. This stuff isn't necessarily my favorite because I do like Color Burst better, but I do love the shimmer that the Shimmer Powder has. And so I went ahead and got this color. This is Sunray. Is it Crosette? Someone will correct me. Crosette? I don't know. Anyway, Sunray something or other. And so I have an idea with this. They were just about all sold out of all their colors. Maybe they're restocked now, but there's a lot of powder in there. It's kind of a yellow. I also got the Nuvo Pastel Highlights. These are the watercolor pencils, highly pigmented watercolor pencils. I have never tried Nuvos before, but I wanted to give them a shot. You guys know that I just love all kinds of mediums. I am not shy to try new ones, that's for sure, and I just love coloring, so if this is another way to do it, I will give it a try. And I got, okay, so I think they have several different tins. This one is the Pastel Highlights. So this one has Cardinal Red, Pastel Peach, Cantaloupe Slice, Evening, Primrose, Willow Creek, Lucite Green, Freshwater, Summer Sky, Lavender Fields, Oriental Orchid, Pink Flamingo, and Cashmere Rose. Yeah, so they're watercolor pencils. And I've, you know, used many different kinds of watercolor pencils before, but ooh, those are pretty. So I'm excited to give these a try and see how these compare. Obviously, can't really necessarily recommend them right now, but most Nuvo products are pretty fabulous. Haven't found any that I don't like. So there is that. And then, last but not least, I did get a few more Copic colors, just constantly trying to round out the ones I have, fill in gaps. It's taking me years. You know, those of you that are just starting out with Copics or whatever the case may be, it is a little pricey endeavor, can be. I feel like the prices have gone down quite a bit since I started buying them, but I've been collecting and buying for probably a decade. And I don't have them all. So I got BG99, which is a Flagstone blue, YG99, which is marine green, E09, which is burnt sienna, and then I also got E18, which is copper. All right, so if any of you are wondering why I might pronounce it like YG99 or BG99 and I don't say like BG99, there's a reason for that. So each one of these has a reason, you know, a purpose behind it. It means something. The BG stands for the color family. The next number, like this 9, is the saturation number. You know, basically that means, and those range obviously from 0 to 9. 0 is less saturated, or no, 0 is more saturated, 9 is less saturated. And then the next one is your brightness number. So that's obviously color range from 0 to 9. 0 is lightest and 9 is darkest. So that first number is your saturation and that second number is your brightness. So that is why I pronounce it the way that I do. All right, so that is all that I have for you today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.